Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the GOYOJO thermal imaging camera. So these are good for if you can get out of the box. If you're trying to like winterize your house, trying to make sure that you're optimizing your heat and not allowing like hot air to escape, so your house is well insulated, and you can check for like different spots like, hey, can I shine it here? Is there heat escaping through maybe under your door or something like that? So this is kind of a nice idea to be able to check that out for different applications, things like that. Very easy handheld device here. Has a USB charging port here, has a power button that comes on. Pretty cool, good sized display here. We got a little lanyard here so we don't drop it. Good for home inspections and things like that. So here we have just like the thermal imaging here, and we can look for like hot spots. So the hotter it is, obviously the redder it's going to be on here. So we can just change this. It's kind of like focuses in. It's got a little target. It targets in on like, well, why is that hot right there? Okay, so I gotta plug it in the wall. It's kind of warm. And we can change it to just like a regular screen. We can change it to thermal imaging, fusion. That's cool. So it gives like kind of a breakup, visible light, thermal imaging. It has a ton of different settings on here, so we can check out the albums. We can take pictures with this if we want to. Go back. It does have this trigger here. So basically hit the trigger and it's going to take a picture. This has 8 gigabytes onboard storage. So if you need to like, for reference, like, hey, I need to check out like what places were hot spots or things on my house like that, you can just hit the button and it's going to save that for you, which is really cool. Unfortunately, this doesn't go through doors or anything like that. We got white hot, we got hot spot, black hot on there. So red hot, a ton of different things on here. Let's just actually, sorry, I'll give you guys a little bit better view here. It has the temperature on there as well. It's stating the temperature. So 1 second. Okay, this is a little bit easier, I guess. We can see the walls. We can see stuff like this, and we can switch to different ones that we want. Visible light. Okay. Go up to thermal imaging. More look at the different things here. All right, we have any really hot spots? We don't really have any hot spots here. Over here, we got like my charging ports there for the vacuum cleaners. I can save a picture. Then we can go into the different ones to look at it. So it's pretty sweet. We could actually take this outside. And it's kind of cold outside right now, so I could go up and look at my house and see like what's escaping. We can go to menu here and check out all the different options on here. Emissivity, palettes, distance, display settings, temperature alarms, temperature range, more settings. So a lot of different things on here that we can look at. Super handy. Okay, so we can see right here my ductless heat pump. It's on hot right now, and obviously it's got a lot of hot air coming out of there. You can see like my foot is like the thermal image on my foot here. You can see compared to the surrounding area, it's coming off hot. And then we'll just take it outside here. Actually got a vent in the house here, so we come in the bathroom. And we can look, try to get a close up here. So outside, why is it hot right there? So it's like the top of my window is hot. That's weird. And we have the lights there. Obviously those are glowing hot. That's pretty crazy. And then in the bedroom here, I have a vent in the ceiling that's blowing out air, and that's kind of colder air coming out of there. I have my vent on over here. There We can see I have another ductless heat pump there, and that's coming in hot. So it tells the temperature too, and that's pretty cool actually, whatever it locks onto. Okay, let's go outside and see if we can find anything. Okay, so I just took my truck for a drive and we're outside here. We can see it right there. Yeah, you can see like the tires, the engine's still warm, like the brakes are warmer. And we can go over to the house here and we can see that kind of a good sign. We don't really have a lot of heat escaping around the edges here, so that's kind of nice. Kind of like that. But yeah, you can see that's a pretty handy device here. Here's my doorbell. Let's see how much heat is coming out of the doorbell there if we can. Not really. That's kind of cool. I thought so it is an electrical device. I thought it might be using a little bit of heat there. We have the, well, my light isn't using very much heat either. I'm gonna switch to a rainbow. It's an LED, so it's not really using a lot of light there. That's pretty, or a lot of heat. That's pretty crazy. Unless the glass is just blocking it, but that's kind of nice. Okay, that's a reflection. Oh, weird. So it's literally I'm reflecting off the glass here. So the glass seems to work as a little same as a mirror almost, is just reflecting the heat source. That's interesting. All right, let's see the distance on this. So it's difficult to see the trees and everything. For some reason it's hard for the camera to pick this up. I'll see if the other ones are easier to see. Yeah, so okay, I get like a close-up. I got my little tree house over there, and I guess we got a little bit of heat escaping from the top there. Nothing too crazy. There's a house over there in the backyard. It's got its by the windows there. Little hot spots here and there. And there's my electrical. Got a little hot spot there where my ductless heat pump is. But yeah, pretty handy. I like how you can switch between things, and it's really easy to see. It's just harder for this to pick it up. It's harder to pick up on the screen here, but in real life, it's easy to see the screen. It's just nice and bright. All right, friends, well, final thoughts on this, whether you're using it for HVAC or for electrical work. These are super handy. If you want to like maximize your potential for your home to like have the least amount of like heat loss or whatever, excellent for like checking for insulation leaks. If your windows are old, sometimes a lot of heat can escape through those. Very handy. These can't like look through walls or anything like that, but pretty good range on this. Was got, I believe, set it at 50 meters. You can actually pick up like heat signatures that are decently far away. So up on the roof or something like that, you can be able to see hot spots and things like that. So very cool, pretty handy device here. Kind of like a niche like profession as far as like for like if you're like, I can see it's kind of cool to have like just around your house, but if it's something like more like you're doing all the time, you're checking for HVAC leaks and things like that, this is super handy. Anyways, my friends, yeah, a ton of options and things like that. I'll try to put a bunch of the statistics up here on the side so you can check them out, but really cool. Anyways, my friends, appreciate you watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.